Like, some people just take pictures on their rug or something, and I know it's a rug because I seen it in their room. I'm just playing, guys. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I have on a full face of makeup. That's rare, I know. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys a little quick inventory type deal because your girl ordered something. So I have to show you guys what just came in the mail. Here is the box. And I just have to show y'all what's inside because there's something new I'm adding to my website. So I just want to show y'all, get this video up and post it so I can move on to other videos. I have 2 pairs of sunnies that came in. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the ones that most people keep commenting on, which I'm surprised by. These are my pair. That's why they were off to the side. But look at these. Look at them. They're so freaking cute. And they're pink. Oh, why did that scare me? I don't freaking know. But let me just try this on real quick for y'all. Whole brand new what? Period. You already know. But I just felt the need to show y'all like what came in. This is one of them. But like this vendor I've been getting like the anklets and sunglasses from, I really like. If you guys want to hear like my tips on vendors and where to look for vendors, I'll do a video on that. But you gotta let me know because then I'm not gonna know. So therefore I'm not gonna do it. Like I have a how to make labels video coming because a subscriber requested. Hey girl, if you're watching this. Anyway, next, these are my fave. I'm wearing them in my photo shoot today in some type of look. Come like this. I think y'all already can tell what these are. Boom, bam, boom. What is that TikTok? But they're so beautiful, guys. Like, okay, hold on. Not playing with you. And I have one of my birthday bundle lip glosses on, so click the link to check it out. Like, guys, these are freaking bad at, like, excuse my language, but this is just everything Tiffany. Because, excuse my language, but bullshit blockers, y'all know what I'm talking about? Because, did you say something? Didn't think so, okay. Guys, I'm so excited for these, like, this ain't no, and baby. I just got some more anklets. So I had to restock. So I got my butterfly one. More of my rhinestone heart ones. Because I only have one left. I don't think you guys can see it, but I'm going to wear that in a photo shoot today. I got more of the everyday anklet set. Oh, and then the dragonfly one. So video, but I just want to show you all these boxes I got. 3.5 by 3.5, 0.87 inches. And they have the filling inside. And let me show y'all, like, here are a few of my new charm bracelets that are going to be launching. So say someone orders a few, I could just lay 1, 2, I don't know how many I'll put in each, but someone has to order at least like 3 or 4 for it to come in the box. So then they're all secure in there. You get it, it's gonna be a little bow on it or a little sticker, something cute, you know. I'm gonna think of it and get it together for y'all. But this thing is from Amazon, and the one back there is actually from Joann's, and I do recommend going to Joann's for it or Michael's just because it seems like they're, well, this one's lower and it was $1 more, and that one's just a little bit higher up, like probably this much higher up, but it was $1 cheaper. So Joann's over Amazon, just saying. And 2 things that I recently invested in, this is the last thing I'm showing y'all, I swear, are these little fur fabric things. This came like that, but these are perfect for product photos because like some people just take pictures on their rug or something, and I know it's a rug because I seen it in a room. I think most people just take pictures like on a rug or something or get the little circle one. But I just got these because these are really cheaper. Like, they're not the seat cover type ones, so they're cheaper, and you can actually just get like a few of them for what you would pay for like one circle one, and you have different styles. So check out Joann's. That's just where I got mine from. I'm pretty sure all craft stores have them. But guys, that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, comment down below what you want to see, and make sure you shop the site because Crown Golden is just growing. we're gonna keep growing, and I'm gonna keep adding, and I'm just gonna keep being great for you guys and for myself also. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.